Today we are going to look at adjectives. They are words that describe, limit, or identify nouns or pronouns. They describe, compare, point, and count, and they make our sentences more interesting. So let's have a look at the different kinds. Descriptive adjectives describe qualities or characteristics, such as appearance, age, color, feeling, or personality. The happy child played in the garden. She owns a large house near the river. We watched an interesting film last night. The blue jacket fits her well. Quantitative adjectives basically tell us how much or how many of something we have. I have 3 apples left. She has several friends in the neighborhood. We need enough chairs for everyone. A few people attended the meeting. Demonstrative adjectives point to specific nouns. I prefer this song to that one. Those books on the shelf are mine. Can you pass me that plate? Look at these pictures from the trip. Possessive adjectives show the ownership or relationship between nouns. This is my phone. Where is your charger? She left her keys at home. We sold our car last month. The dog wagged its tail happily. Interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. Which route is the fastest? What color do you prefer? Whose bag is this on the floor? Indefinite adjectives refer to non-specific or general quantities. Be careful, this is a little different from quantitative adjectives, which are specific. I need some water. Are there any questions? They found several mistakes in the report. She has many ideas for the project. Only a few seats remained. Distributive adjectives refer to members of a group individually. Each student received a certificate. Every morning she drinks coffee. You can choose either option. Neither answer seemed correct. Numeral adjectives tell us how many, or the position or order. I bought 2 tickets for the concert. She was the first person to arrive. He finished in second place. They own 5 shops in the city. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. They describe origin, style, or relation. We enjoyed a French meal at the restaurant. He wrote a Shakespearean analysis for the class. They bought Italian furniture for the lounge. She prefers Japanese technology. Compound adjectives are usually 2 or more words joined together to describe a noun. Be careful, before a noun, they have a hyphen. After the noun, there is no hyphen. They moved into a 4-bedroom house. We watched a full-length documentary. He has a part-time job. Comparative or superlative forms of adjectives compare 2 or more things. My bag is lighter than yours. This is the largest room in the house. She is more confident now than before. He is the most experienced member of the team. That result is better than I expected. This is the best solution we have. Attributive adjectives means the adjective goes before a noun. Predicative adjectives go after a linking verb. Finally, when you have more than one adjective before a noun, we have a very specific word order. So let's have a look at this. Three silly little old green rubber ducks. Two crazy huge new fluffy pink unicorns. Great job everyone, fabulous work. Did you know there were so many different kinds of adjectives? Remember to like and subscribe for more grammar videos. Okay, bye bye.